Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode has this cool design here, and pretty much what this is a neck fan. If you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand. And right in front, you can see they do have an image of what the product looks like. If you guys turn aside, they do provide some specs and features about the product. Same thing for our side right here as well. So this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first thing inside, they do provide the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right in that, we do have the actual product. And they also provide you guys a little cable. If you guys do take it out, the cable that's provided for you guys, it is a USB to USB-C cable that you can use to recharge the product. And the very last thing inside is the actual product. So you can see for the one that we got right here is a gray color. They also have this available in a white color as well. So if you guys prefer the white one, feel free to get that instead. But here's what the product looks like on this side. Here is this side. Here is the other side. And then here is the inside. You can see how it is very flexible when you guys do move around. So that way you can turn 360 in different angles if you guys do need to. But for the top part right here, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth. And it's very flexible like I mentioned. On the side right here, we do have the button for to turn it on and turn it off. If you guys turn over right here, we do have the option for the plug-in cable to recharge it. But the way how they designed this product is a bladeless neck fan. So it should be more quiet and also more safer, especially if you guys do have long hair, which is really nice. But they mentioned the way how they designed it, it does give you guys a 360 surround coverage when you guys do use it. And for this product, like I mentioned, it's very portable, so you don't have to plug in cable to use it. And in terms of the battery life on here when you guys do use it, you guys can use it for around 3 to 7 hours. Depending on which mode you guys do use, there's 3 different modes on here, low, medium, and high. And when you guys do feel the actual product, it definitely feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all, which is really cool. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it first, and then we'll test it out. Alright, so let's do plug it in. Once you guys do plug in cable, you can see right here, we do have it in here light. You can see how it is red, so that is how you guys know when it's charging. I'm assuming once it's fully charged, the light will change blue or change different color or even turn off. But that is how you guys do charge it. If you guys try to turn it on when it's charging, so it does allow you guys to turn it on even when it is charging. But if you guys do unplug it, if you guys try to turn it on again, it also works when you guys do have it unplugged. So that's actually pretty cool. So now let's put it around the neck and see how it feels when we do use it. So once you guys do put it on, this is what the product looks like. Literally once you guys put it on the neck, it feels so comfortable and actually feels really lightweight as well. But if you guys do turn it on, first one we do have right now is low. Even when we do turn it low, it actually feels pretty nice. It's like a very light breeze that's not too strong. Let me turn up the next one. Now we do have a medium. I do feel a lot of breeze coming from this part right here and this part right here as well. I'm assuming how it works is suck up the air for the front part here and here as well to come out on the side. But here's level 2. Let's try the next one. So when we're using level 3, it definitely feels very powerful. Much more powerful than level 1, level 2. I feel like for this one, you probably want to use it during the hotter season when it's like really hot. Or even if you guys are living somewhere where it's very humid like Singapore or something, then that is where one is actually comes in handy. But once you got it done, you have to press it again. And it does turn off. So the product definitely does work when you guys do use it to give you guys that cooling effect if you guys are feeling really hot. So this is actually a very cool product to get when summer is approaching. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality portable neck fan to keep you guys cooler in a warm or hotter setting, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.